startling reality that the Jamaica Tallawahs no longer exist. The previous owners have shifted their time, resources, and expertise to a new franchise in Antigua. This is indeed a telling development and a reflection of the state of cricket in Jamaica. And look, this particular writing has been on the wall. The Tallawahs had not played a single home game in Jamaica for over 4 years, and all stemming from a lack of support, and puts further into perspective that controversial decision for Jamaica not to bid for any games in the next year's T20 World Cup. Some of us were trying to make the case that the support for cricket, even T20 cricket in Jamaica, is more lip than literal. So it's therefore quite understandable that the government opted not to spend millions of taxpayers' dollars to host a few games, quite possibly to empty stadia. Well, the evidence is right there. Cricket fans, private sector, and government not even supporting a winning Jamaica Tallawahs. Then is other World Cup team and a losing West Indies they are going to support. Da da dee, da da da.